In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ClickUp faster. We'll streamline your workspace and clear out the items that tend to slow ClickUp down, especially in areas packed with old or completed tasks. By the end, you'll have a lighter, quicker app experience and a simple routine you can repeat whenever things start to feel sluggish. First, open your browser and head to ClickUp's website. Sign in using Continue with Google, then choose your Google account to access your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. A quick note, keeping your browser up to date also helps performance, so it's worth checking that you're on the latest version. Once you're in, navigate to the team space where you do most of your work. Spaces are the top-level areas that group related folders and lists. Open the space that feels heaviest or slowest for you day to day. From there, go into the folder that contains a lot of tasks or content. Folders with a large history of completed work, attachments, and comments are common bottlenecks, so focusing your cleanup here offers the biggest performance gain. Now it's time to reduce the clutter. Open the complete section in that folder and review what's truly finished. Select the tasks you no longer need and delete them to slim down your views and speed up loading. Before you remove anything, be sure those tasks are fully done and not needed for reporting or audits. If you collaborate with others, a quick check-in can prevent surprises. Deleting completed tasks decreases the amount of data ClickUp has to process each time you load a view, which directly improves responsiveness. If you'd rather keep a record without keeping tasks active, use the More menu and choose Archive. Archiving hides tasks from everyday views while preserving their history, comments, and attachments. It's a great middle ground when you're not ready to remove items permanently. You can always restore archive tasks later, and you'll still see a performance boost because they're excluded from most active lists. To finish, head into your browser's history and clear your browsing data, focusing on cached files. A stale or overloaded cache can cause pages to load slowly and display outdated components. After clearing it, reload ClickUp. You should notice snappier navigation, quicker list loads, and less lag when switching views. That's it. Regularly cleaning completed tasks or archiving what you no longer need, followed by a quick cache clear, keeps ClickUp running fast and reliable.